thick foliage or thick bush areas up in treetops, jackalberry trees for instance, they eat fruit. To see one like this in the open is very, very rare. So look at that stunning, stunning bird. In Afrikaans call them a papegaai duif, which if you translate means a parrot dove. You can see very, very pretty feature, sculpted to perfection, almost like a very smooth finish. I assume this bird is just sitting here waiting for the sunrise, or waiting for some sunlight, shall I say. The sun is already up, but just a bit of cloud in front of it. Maybe like quite a...
Really, what they're trying to do there is to collecting a lot of twigs that they can build a nest. As you can see now, it looks like he's really wants to break the twigs. He's trying by the beak. The Wahlberg eagle. So let's carry on and follow up on the male lions. Species is also endangered. It's one of the species that really, if it comes to breeding, it takes 7 years. A female takes 7 years to breed, which it happens lay 2 eggs and you're able to raise 1 chick. The reason of the survival of the fittest, the fit chick put the weak one out of the nest and fall down, which it happens. Giving most to the eagles, few birds that do it on that way, is in their nature. Slow breeding is one of the reasons why they are endangered, whether it's a female or a male, because it doesn't have that full colors of the male or female of the still young. I wonder how he gets separated from the mothers. Maybe he stays behind while the mothers still keep on walking. Ah, it's the vultures. Hunting is one of the things that separate it, because you may find that you can focus on something while the parents are moving, going away.
Some binoculars out here as well. A little bit difficult to see the details, but it's the male on the left hand side, female on the right. It's actually easier to sex them in flight, but so you can just see that slight sort of a V parting almost in the tail. Also these birds in flight, the easy way to recognize them is that very clear V in the tail then. Quite a light one, so I was just making sure. Also get a black, the beak yellow all the way through, right to the tip of that beak. Tip of the front part of the beak is darker, and then only the cere, that sort of bridge on the nose, is yellow. Like I said, this bird most likely just to come for a drink, but it's also looking around if you watch it carefully. So it's just checking the surrounding areas out. Seems grooming and cleaning and sorting out the feathers is at the order of the day this morning. Animals, I mean birds especially because they fly around, but animals in general spend a lot of time grooming and cleaning themselves. If you think of us humans, not all that long ago, 100, 200 years ago, people used to sometimes go for many years without even taking a bath. Yet in the animal kingdom, in the animal world, even something with a relatively small brain, like a bird, still knows to keep itself clean and healthy.
Group tend to live here all life. Very noisy. You can hear them around in the area. Oh, look at that. They're chasing our way. It looked like they're fighting against the Lilac-breasted, which went off into the area. The reason why they're giving that lamb call. It's a beautiful species. It have that white, as you can see, it look like a crown on top of the head. The reason why they call it white crown shrike. Tend to see quite a lot of birds into the area, to the point where it looks like the same. The striped kingfisher. Is it the bouquet? It's a bit blind there, but look like. So let me quickly check on that.
No,
is it striped kingfisher? Look at that.
Yeah, it's quite special, you don't see them often.
Yeah, it's really, really beautiful. The head is look like more to the front. The beak is fluffy. Pretty looking birds. A Lilac-breasted roller. Eyesight is very good. It's one of the best species into the area. They hunt a lot of insects.